That CME file is an edit data file for Championship Manager. Custom modifications to the game's player and team databases. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load and apply your CM edit data. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor CME errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A CME file is an edit data file used by Championship Manager, a classic football management simulation game. It stores user-modified game data, including player statistics, team information, and league data, allowing players to update the game database with custom edits and real-world data corrections. CME files follow Championship Manager's proprietary edit data format, storing modified records for players, clubs, staff, and competitions in a binary structure that overlays the base game database. The format is version-specific and designed for use with the Championship Manager Editor utility. The most widely recognized opener for CME is unequivocally Championship Manager 102 from Sports Interactive. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows cannot preview the actual assets, so viewing requires compatible game extraction utilities. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your CME file and select Open With. If Championship Manager 0102 is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If your CME file still refuses to open, stay calm. Errors with the CME format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, open with Championship Manager Editor. CME files are loaded through Championship Manager's built-in editor or a compatible third-party CM editor utility. Place the CME file in the correct game data directory and launch the editor to apply the custom data edits to your Championship Manager database for use in new game saves. Next, check game version compatibility. If the editor fails to load the CME file, verify the file was created for your specific Championship Manager version. Edit data files are version-specific, and CME files from one release may not be compatible with another. The Championship Manager community maintains version-specific editor tools. Finally, find Community Editor Tools. The Championship Manager fanbase maintains dedicated editor tools and data update packs. Visit Championship Manager community sites and forums to find the correct editor version for your CME file. Community maintainers often provide updated data files and editor utilities for all major game versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.